Hi, in this video I'll show how to use app for converting Tsv file to JavaScript. This is my website. I will leave link on the site into description. To find app, I will click on search and type Tsv To Js, and I need this one. I will click on app page, click on the load button to start downloading process, and wait until file will be downloaded. It's a relatively small file, but it's been downloaded from Google Drive, and Google Drive scanning files upon relieving it, sending it, so it will take a little bit time. But here is archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, click on MSI, double click on MSI to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes here and click on finish. And you can see app has been installed on my computer and I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this. And this is a folder when I will be trying to test our JS file, so we will keep it open. Now I will double click on a shortcut to launch app. Conversion is a 3 steps process. Let's minimize this. Conversion is 3 steps process. On step 1, I have to select input file. I'll click on this button to select input file. Navigate to my states TSV file, which is a list of states, 50 United States states. And after file has been selected, I can select multiple files, but if after file has been selected, I'll click on next step. On next step, I will have to specify conversion options. If my file, first row of my file has a column names, I will leave this checked. So which is for my case, first row of my TSV file has a column names, and these column names will be used for JavaScript. So I will keep it checked, click on next. Here I can preview of my JavaScript, and you can see it's converted to JavaScript structure, and I can save result. Let's click on save result. I have to specify name and location of the file, so just go to our JS test folder. This one, and click on JS test. I want to replace this file, so yes, I want to overwrite it, and it says saved into a specific location. Now I can open it with Notepad just to show you how what is the structure, JavaScript structure from TS. So when I say when I checked use first row as a column names, you can see it uses name of the column as an identifier for every field in JavaScript. It was done so I can easily address data by its name. So if I open, let's open this in Firefox and open it in Notepad. Let's do Notepad Plus, so it will show me. So here I have my test.js included, right? F12 and go to console. Now, because I have in JS, let's open JS. I have my data. Now I can, in console, I can address my data, see my data, and then I can click dot and then specify states. If I select multiple files, it will be multiple files, but because file name was states, next when I click, when I type dot, it will show me what is next. Now this is array. If I run it, it will show me that this is array. So now let's go and address first record 0 and display dot state name. See, so I have when I press dot, I have within all other things, I have all my fields, and because you may have a different TSV file, so your fields will be different. So just display state name, and when I run it, I will have Alabama. So now if I go to my HTML file, that's HTML, and add here my data, states, sorry, and then state name, save it, then if I reload it, I will have Alabama and no errors anymore. So yeah, basically that's it. I can address any record. So for example, for record number 4, you can see it's showing California. So yeah, basically that's it. We have converted our TSV file into JavaScript, and we have all data into our JavaScript, and we can address it on the web page. We can include it into a web page and address it in any way we want. Also, I can show you original file if I go to states TSV. Yep, this one. I have another app which allow me to show what is inside of TSV file, and I can sort it, and I can export it into different format if I want to, Excel, Word, and any other. So yeah, basically that's it. We have our TSV file converted into JavaScript, and we connected this JavaScript into our web page, and we can access data. I can show you web page, and we can access data through my data, states, and state name, and we can just alert it. But it's basically demonstrating that I can read all my data file from JavaScript data. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.